It's weird to think that linear sequences go on forever. I mean, I could sit here now and do a linear sequence for the rest of my life. But I think I'll go for a walk. We're going to be looking at using term-to-term rules to continue linear sequences. Let's have a look at this question. The second term is 2 more than the first term. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then that 5 plus 2 is 7. Add 2 again to find the next term. 7 plus 2 is 9. Add 2 again to find the next term. 9 plus 2 is 11. The terms in this sequence we say have a common difference of 2 because you're adding 2 each time. Any sequence that has a common difference is called an arithmetic sequence. The term-to-term rule is how to get from one term to the next. What is the term-to-term rule for this sequence? Well, the term-to-term rule is add 2. And let's finish with this. A sequence starts at 3 and has a common difference of 5. Will 96 be a term? Will 2,902,938 be a term? If you know, write it in the comments below. And you can come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description to access all of our free papers, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger Key Stage 3 course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.